Hello friends, today's video is going to be about the PDF creator that I have created. In Zoho Creator, here I have created one application named PDF Editor. Under that, here you can see that I have created few fields. First is name, second file upload, view file URL, and edit PDF URL. Here I can name the PDF. After that, here I get the option to upload the file. After uploading this, the view file URL and edit PDF URL. These are temporary for now, but after some time I will hide this. So for the view file URL, this works as when I will submit this under its report. It will generate a file URL for to view this document that I have uploaded in the work drive. So basically this PDF is getting uploaded into the work drive. Here you can see this is uploaded right now. After that, this is edit PDF URL. So let's suppose if you don't want to edit the file right now at the moment, and you want to edit the file later on. So in order to not to go open work drive and the folder to edit this, it I have created a small function here which works in a way that you just simply have to open this and it will open the editor. So it is time consuming to go again and again and open work drive and edit the files. So this is a shortcut to just open it from here and edit the file from here. Also, what happens here is that whenever we edit anything here and save PDF, after that when we open this, it will be updated here also, and which will usually be time saving for us. And here the function that I have written, this is working in a way that firstly I have invoked the URL here, and after that I have put the parameter of work drive folder here. After that, in the response I have uploaded the work drive URL upload link, and later on it is fetching the data from the folders and getting it into the attributes here, and after that it is publishing here. It shows that whatever the file view URL we have is here. We have the edit link in which whatever the editor link is, that plus the file ID that we are already having here. So this is how it is generating the link of edit PDF URL, and which automatically generating the edit PDF URL for each and every link. So that's all for today's video. If you liked my video, please like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.